एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता astrosage.com के प्रमाणित और प्रीमियम एस्ट्रोलॉजर से करें कभी भी सीधे फोन पर बात। प्यार, पैसा, परिवार या कुछ और, हर सवाल का सीधा और सटीक जवाब। एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता के जरिए ज्योतिषियों को फोन लगाएं और किस्मत का साथ पाएं।
Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Astrosage, the world's #1 astrology channel. This is Sashwati and I hope you guys are doing well. I am here with a very special video concerning the natives belonging to the zodiac sign Gemini and how their fate will turn out to be during the year 2021. Yes, you have heard it right. I'm here with Gemini Horoscope 2021. Let us find out how the various aspects of your life will perform in the upcoming year. Now, without digressing any further, let me quickly get started with the predictions. First things first, let me get started with your professional life. The predictions, which are based on Vedic astrology, state that your professional life will witness a lot of positive changes during this year, and you will encounter several opportunities with the help of your colleagues to make your professional life even better. This will benefit you largely and you will succeed at your workplace. Due to the impact of planetary transits, you will be able to complete every task before the given deadline. This year, Jupiter, the lord of your 10th house, will be in the 8th house from your sign at the beginning of the year and remain there until April. During this time, several changes in your career will occur, but you will be able to firmly face all of them. Seeing your hard work and dedication towards your work, your boss will get highly impressed with you. Now, if we talk about your financial life, then it can be stated that your financial life will be pretty normal this year because Jupiter and Saturn will be in a conjunction and both of them will remain posited in your 8th house. Shani will be sitting in this house throughout the year, which will also make you prone to loss of money. Also, financial losses are more likely on the cards due to the transit of Jupiter and Saturn. Therefore, stay alert while carrying out any kind of transaction. However, when the transit of Jupiter takes place in Aquarius, some improvements in the circumstances will be seen and you will be more likely to attain monetary benefits. On the other side, you will remain under stress all throughout the time. In such a situation, you can get distracted very easily. For you, the time from January end, February, April, May and then September is said to be the most favorable for you, since the planets and nakshatras will be seen remaining in your favor during this time. In this duration, any efforts made from your side will reap fruits which will strengthen your financial life. Now, if we talk about the academic life of Gemini student natives, then they will witness major changes in their academic life this year. Especially for those students who are planning to go abroad, this year will prove to be particularly fruitful. The months of January, February and May will prove to be most favorable for students. At this time, you will be able to reap the fruits of your hard work and succeed in every test with the blessings provided by Lord Saturn. The period from April until September will also prove to be particularly good for students pursuing higher education. During this time, you will succeed in understanding every subject easily, which will help you take decisions in the future. Though Ketu will be sitting in the 6th house of your zodiac sign throughout this year, it will incur challenges for students while studying. However, you will successfully get rid of them and understand your subjects really well. Despite this, you need to constantly try and stay alert towards the achievement of your goal during this time. If we talk about your love life, then Gemini natives will incur favorable results this year. At the very beginning, that is from January until February, you are most likely to get married to the love of your life. Happiness will prevail in your love life and there are chances of the both of you spending a very nice time together. At the same time, some natives who are in love may have to undergo some critical situations. In such a case, if you truly love your partner, then you will definitely dodge those difficulties and be successful in love. On the other hand, if you are cheating on your partner, then the outcome will be entirely opposite of what has been mentioned. At the very beginning of this year, you are expected to get some favorable results due to the aspect of Mars on the 5th house of your zodiac sign. Therefore, pay attention to your partner rather than wasting time on meaningless things. Try to resolve every doubt and argument without giving priority to any of your fights. According to Gemini Health Horoscope, it can be stated that your health can remain a little weak throughout this year because Saturn and Jupiter are creating a conjunction in the 8th house at the beginning of the year, and the presence of the shadow planet Ketu in your 6th house can cause health related problems. During this period, you are advised to take great care of yourself and remain aware of your lifestyle and eating habits. Along with this, planetary movements are indicating the possibility of you suffering from certain airborne and blood-related diseases. If you are married, then the year 2021 is going to bring major changes in your marital life. In the year's beginning, Sun and Mercury will be sitting in your 7th house, due to which love between you and your spouse will increase. But during this time, your spouse will undergo some changes which will directly impact your love life. Also, there is a possibility that along with this change impacting your married life, your spouse's ego will also increase. This may become one of the leading causes for disputes between the two of you. In such a case, do not give up on reconciliation and keep trying to make your married life happy. Also this year, the conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter won't prove to be auspicious for your in-laws, since any of the members from that side may fall ill and suffer from loss of health. This means that you may have to spend money on them. Also, if we talk about your domestic life, then the predictions state that you will attain favorable results in your family life, since you will get the support from your family members. Also, a good health environment within the family will induce happiness in life. You will shop according as per the requirement of the house, which will escalate your level of respect among the family members. Any auspicious event or function within the family is likely to take place due to the planetary positions being in your favor. During this time, the arrival of guests in the house will work towards creating a positive atmosphere in the family. It is important to note that in the middle of the year, you may suffer from mental stress due to family related issues. But you will understand the situations and act wisely while resolving any kind of problems. If you are married, then your spouse and your mother may enter into an argument for some reason. During this time, you should avoid interfering between the two of you. So now, before wrapping up, let me quickly give away some remedies which you can implement during the year 2021 and make it the best year of your life. You can set a free pair of birds from cages, any cages on any Wednesday. This will definitely help you to acquire success. Even wearing the best quality emerald gemstone in the ring finger will yield good results. What you can also do is that you can offer green clothes or bangles to the elderly women of your household on Wednesday. You can chant the beach mantra associated with Buddha or Mercury. If possible, you can consume green chili instead of red chilies with your food. So this was all you need to know about the Gemini horoscope 2021 and how the various aspects of your life will perform during this particular year. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have really liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for connecting with us.